our hamsters will have a clean cage! This is so important!
I totally agree with you.
Oh! Our cute little fluffies deserve the cleanest environment, and I deserve a break! Life is awesome! Huh? What was that? Where did that strange sound come from? Oh no! My stomach! It hurts so badly! Ugh, it's not good at all! Oh? Oh! I know! Okay, let's see what's going on in there. Alright. Oh no! Those evil germs are having a party in my stomach! Call the doctor! Where's my medicine? Oh, those evil germs went crazy! They hid in the environment and transported inside while I was eating! That is so mean! Alright, what now? Oh, let's see. No, I don't want to use soap all day long. I'll escape all the germs! After all, I'm a slick slime. Are you hiding from me? Aha! Come on, evil germs, show yourself! Or am I that scary? Now we're talking! I'm gonna call Susan and tell her how brave I am. What? They are all over my cell phone! That's outrageous! No way! I'm not gonna surrender to some nasty germs! I'll show them! Whew! It should be safe in here. Huh? What's that sound? I see germs on the toilet! Ah! The sink is even dirtier! Yuck! They are everywhere! Guys, these germs get inside our bodies through our nose, mouth, and eyes. Now that's much better. This way I won't touch my face, so germs won't hurt me again. Oh, why did it become so itchy? I want to scratch it badly. Come on, pencils, do your job. And this fish tank on my head isn't helping at all. Whew, at least now I can breathe. Let's see what the internet could suggest. What? An average person touches their face 20 times per hour? But that's more than 400 times per day? This is the safest place for now. Huh? Oh no! I defo gotta find a safer place! That's it, guys! I'm gonna live here. Actually, it's not that bad, huh?
Sammy!
What? Who's here?
Whoa!
I know you! You're Slime the Wise from Tibidaba! I'm your fan! Ouch!
Look at what you've become! You shouldn't live in misery and hide from germs! Besides, there are thousands of friendly germs protecting us! But if you keep washing yourself all day long, they'll eventually disappear as well!
And what to do?
You have this! It's your best weapon, but use it wisely! While cooking the food, before the meal, and right after petting animals! Always wash your hands!
And before touching my face! Got it! You're definitely the wisest! What's that?
Sammy, hurry up! Dinner is ready. Where are you?
Just a minute, Sue! I'm washing my hands! Washing your hands is the strongest weapon against germs, guys! Remember that and